Chinese characters are super easy. Give me 1 minute. I'll help you memorize characters. First, 日 means sun. Remember it. 月 means moon. Okay, now plus them. 明 What does 明 mean? You can imagine the sun and the moon. These two characters, the sun and the moon, appearing at the same time and the sky being extremely bright. So 明 means bright. Now a new character, 寸 means inch. Remember it? Now plus 日 and 寸. We can have 十. What does 十 mean? Now imagine the sun moves inch by inch, indicating the time is passing little by little, right? So 十 means time. Got it?